Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to compare our solar system planet with each other, how different they are. We are also going to discuss the special characteristics, rotation and revolution, important physical properties, and also we are going to discuss the satellites. So let us discuss. First of all, we are going to start with Mercury. The special characteristics of Mercury are: it is the smallest and the innermost planet. It has no atmosphere. It has a cratered surface much like the moon. Okay, so ubad khabad hoga ye. Crater like surface means ubad khabad. Okay, so rotation of Mercury is of 58.65 days and revolution is of 88 days, which is the fastest revolution in our solar system. Now the important physical properties of Mercury are: it has the maximum diurnal range of temperature. This is very important. It has no satellite. Now let us discuss about the Venus, which is also called as Wild planet and also known as evening and morning star. Why it is called the evening and morning star? As it is seen in the east in the morning and in the west it is seen in the evening, so it is called the evening and morning star. It is the brightest object in the solar system because of almost 70% of albedo. This is very important, so it is called the brightest star, also evening and morning star. Also the rotation, it has the slowest rotation speed. It has almost equal rotation and revolution. Rotation clockwise, that is of 257 days, and revolution is of 224.7 days. This is very important. Important physical properties of Venus: it rotates from east to west, unlike the other planet which rotates west to east, but Venus rotates from east to west, and it is the hottest planet in our solar system which has no satellite. Okay, now let us discuss about the Earth. The Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It is called as a blue planet because of presence of water. Okay, we know that its rotation is of 24 hour, which gives us day and night, and the revolution is of 365 days and 6 hours, which the seasons will change. This we have to keep in mind. Okay, in other video we are going to discuss this in detail. Okay, now the physical property: it is the densest of all and is unique for the presence of higher form of life. Okay, moon is the only natural satellite of Earth. So now let us discuss about the mass, also called as red planet. This we know. It has a thin atmosphere which comprises of nitrogen and argon. Rotation of Mars is 24.6 hour, almost equal to Earth only. Okay, the revolution is of 687 days. It marked by a dormant volcanoes. Nix Olympia is the highest mountain, which is 3 times higher than the Mount Everest. This is the physical properties of Mars. It has 2 satellites, that is the Phobos and Deimos. So this is very important as a prelim point of view. Now let us discuss about the Jupiter. It is the largest planet in the solar system with a mass of 2.5 times greater than the combined mass of all the remaining planets, satellites and asteroids put together. So it is the largest planet of our solar system with mass 2.5 times greater than combined mass of all the planets, satellites and asteroids put together. Okay, it contains hydrogen, helium, methane and ammonia, the great red spot which we can see on Jupiter. Okay, its rotation is of 9.8 hours. It is the fastest rotation velocity, and its revolution is of 12 years revolution. So see, it is the largest planet of our solar system and the fastest rotation speed of 9.8 hours. The physical properties of Jupiter is: it is too massive to solidify as a planet, but not massive enough to develop nuclear fusion as become a star. It gives off more energy than it receives from the sun because of heat inside. So it gives back energy more than it receives because of heat inside the Jupiter. It has 67 satellites. Some of the prominent satellites are Europa, Callisto and Ganymede. These are also called as Galileon's moons. Okay, this is very important. Now let us discuss about the Saturn. It is the second largest planet and is surrounded by a set of 8 rings which are made up of primordial dust and ice particles. Rotation of Saturn is of 10.3 hours. Revolution is of 29.4 earth years. Okay, now physical property of Saturn is it has the least densest of all the satellite, 30 times less dense than the earth. So how is the difference? Jupiter is 2 times greater than the combined mass of all the remaining planets, and Saturn it has the least density of all the satellites, 30 times less dense than the earth. It has 62 satellites, the largest being Titan. This is very important. Saturn, Titan. This we have to keep in mind. Now let us discuss about the Uranus. It is unique as its axis of rotation is inclined at 98 degree to its orbital plane. Okay, the rotation, unlike the other which spin on their axis, Uranus actually rolls apparently from north to south. So this is very unique property. You have to keep in this mind that Uranus rolls apparently from north to south, surrounded by system of 9 faint rings. Okay, it has 27 satellites. The prominent are Miranda and Ariel, etc. Okay, the next planet is the Neptune. It has a dynamic atmosphere which contain and the Earth-sized blemish called the uh, Great Dark Spot, that is reminiscence of Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Its rotation is of 15.7 days and revolution is of 165 years. It has the 5 faint rings. It appears as a greenish star. So Neptune is also called as a greenish star. It has a 14 satellite. The prominent are Triton and Nereid. Okay, so this is all about the comparative studies of our planet. Thank you.